So this is the Hayabusa 1300 cc's. There's 187 horsepower and a lot of torque because it is a massive inline four. Seat is fairly soft. This is the anniversary edition, which is why it's got this particular paint scheme. Um, Paintwork is very soft. Paintwork feels very good. Think of this as like a dragster bike. Think of it like that. You've got things like different modes to choose from. Starter, switchgear feels absolutely fine. You've got an analog rev count, analog speedo, analog fuel gauge, analog temperature gauge. So like a race bike, you do feel like you're on this massive, great big dragster. You do get a shift light. You can actually see little micro scratches in the instrument cluster, and this is like brand new. A lot of aerodynamics, a lot of wind protection. Um, this isn't meant for touring or anything like that. You've got two exhaust pipes, and you're in a pretty comfortable position like this. There is quite a long bike, just be careful of that. And it's a nice place to be.